My dear brother and sister of our beloved country India, my dear father and mother, along with my dear beloved children of our country, Bharatvarsh, I myself, Deepak Kumar Bakshi, wish you all success in our life, wish you a happy, prosperous, peaceful and successful life. And also, once again, I invite you the second movement of our independence of our country with a mission and vision 2047 for a developed, superpowered, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. My dear friend, I realize myself our vision 2047 on the occasion of 15th of August 2022, when we hoist our national flag on the 15th of August 2022 on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Then we realize the mission and vision 2047 for next 25 years, when we become a developed country, a self-reliant country, a peaceful and transformed country, to lead the nation, to lead the continent Asia, and also to lead the world with the message of Satyamev Jayate, with the message of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, with the message of Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram, with the message of one family, one earth and one future, and also with the message of Bharatvarsh. My dear brother and sister of our beloved country India, when we have initiated and worked as a young citizen of India in 1997 on the occasion of Golden Jubilee of our independence, under supervision of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, with Vision 2020 for a developed nation, I realized myself after 25 years in 2022 that a Vision 2047 is very important for the billion plus nation, 1.5 billion plus nation, with a greater zeal and enthusiasm, along with innovation, communication and generation for the benefit of our family, for the benefit of our society, for the benefit of our country. So, once again I invite all of you in the second movement of our independence with a mission and vision 2047 for a developed, superpowered, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. My dear friend, as you know, our 10 commandments of our Vision 2047 are: first, unity and integrity; second, agriculture and industry; third, science and technology; fourth, health and education. Fifth, peace and tranquility. Sixth, development and management. Seventh, strategy and space. Eighth, energy and economy. Ninth, ecology and environment. And 10th, heritage and happiness. With these 10 commandments of our Vision 2047, we are moving towards a golden destination. Along with 1.5 billion plus people of our country, to lead the nation, to lead the continent Asia, to lead the whole world for the benefit of society, for the benefit of country, and for the benefit of the people of the world, and also for the benefit of mankind. My dear friend, this is our success story of our Vision 2047, when the Niti Aayog under Government of India realized our Vision 2047 and initiated for a draft papers and also invited the views of states, governments, union territories, and even the people of India for a Vision 2047, for a developed, superpower, self-reliant and transformed peaceful India. So, I am so happy our Government of India, along with all the states of India, including union territories of India, the wish of all parliamentarians, the new and old parliamentarian, the views of all MLAs and MLCs of state assembly and councils, the views of members of parliament, both Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, the views of judiciaries, the views of administrative people, the views of Navy, Air Force and Army people, and also the views of 1.5 billion plus people of our country for a mission and Vision 2047 for a developed, superpower, self-reliant and transformed peaceful nation. As you know, my dear friends and our beloved children, the unity and integrity is must for a happy society, for a happy family, for a visionary country and for a peaceful world. When unite and integrate our people, when unite and integrate our family, when unite and integrate our society, and also when unite and integrate the whole world with peace and tranquility, then we achieve the goal of Vision 2047. We must realize ourselves for unity. within diversity in our country like India. In the name of caste, creed, religion, reason, and vision, we must unite first. We must integrate first. We must unite and integrate with the mind, with the body, and with the soul. Then we will achieve the goal of Vision 2047. My dear friend, agriculture is most powerful culture in our country. Our country's soul rests in our villages, where the youth and farmers, yani Jawan or Kisan, develop an ecosystem to create an infrastructure for yield the cereals and vegetables for food security, to feed the people of India, to feed the people of our neighbor countries, and also the people of whole world. With these green revolutions, we must create an infrastructure for organic farming, for natural farming, for scientific farming, with greater productivity. Along with the nature of our soils, the nature of our water resources, the nature of our human resources, yani Chiti Jal Pavak Gagan Samira, the soil or earth, the water resources, the energy, the sun, the space, the sky, and the air. For breath of the people, not only the humankind, but also for plants and animals, and flora and fauna, to survive in the planet of Earth. So, we must develop our infrastructure in agriculture sector, for a self-reliance in food security, water security, and natural resource security. As agriculture is important in our life, then industry is also important for a greater movement